getting ready for me.
I was getting ready for you.
Oh, okay.
You like me?
Yeah, I always like you. All right.
No?
Yeah, that's cool. You iced out? Dang. What you got going on?
You already know what I'm coming, what it's hitting for. You like it? You just want to look at my booty.
Always. Period, poo.
Period, poo. Do it, babe. Nada. Hey y'all, so I am in the car. Okay, period. Y'all, I got the big hoop earrings. Y'all see the hair. I gotta move in cars. BJ don't know I'm about to, well, I don't even know what I'm about to do, y'all, for real. But welcome back to another video. As you have read by the title, I'm trying to be ratchet, but I don't know how this is gonna go. But y'all see the get up. I got the pink or the rose gold hair. Y'all, I got the chain on right here. But he don't know I'm about to act ratchet, but I got my chain on. I got the bangles. The goddamn, all right, here he coming on.
I put my phone in.
Hey. Oh, okay, he went back to the car. So, got the rose gold, got the big hoop earrings. I'm trying to put some like lip gloss on, but I really don't be doing that. And then y'all got the chain. I'm shining on them. We about to go get something to eat. So, I don't know how this gonna go because I really don't, like, I don't know what I'm about to do. But here he come again, y'all.
What's happening? Y'all know who it is. Z-O.
Period.
C-R-U-Z. That's me.
Period.
Yeah. Big P.
Not Big P. Anyway, so where we going?
Hot Choco.
Hi. Babe, tell them what's up.
What's happening?
How life been?
Life been good. Life is good. Do, do.
What?
Future Drake. Life is good. We about to hit the down Hot Taco. We about to head northeast.
Where we going? I mean, like, what way?
We're going right. Bust that right now. Yeah. Construction. Gentrification.
We don't need
No, I was about to lead the song.
play by play.
Construction is because of gentrification. But y'all know the vibes. But
They can't see the.
but they just hear me though. That's why I just want niggas to hear me on that. But yeah, Hot Taco. I be wanting breakfast. I'm a breakfast person. All the time. Like I can eat breakfast. But after like not when it get to be 3 though. Like when it hit 3, I don't fuck with it. Like so we going to Hot Taco.
Well, it's not 3.
But
okay, period.
Okay, but yeah, it'll be 3 by the time we would get our food. So
either way, you gonna swipe it, so it don't matter. Period.
we got the Lost City girl over here. We got the Lost City girl. We got that.
Put it on me. Y'all better let him know what it is.
Okay.
Y'all see it.
Vibes. Tell him. Let him know. Who? ULB, JT, and Young Miami.
Period.
Okay. Okay.
I need a nigga that's gonna swipe them visas. You gonna swipe your visa, babe?
Am I gonna swipe my visa?
You swiping your visa? Cause if you not, you need to get out. Period.
I don't do visa. I got a different one.
Well, what you got? A black card? Like what you got?
I have
Hold it out.
AMX. That was a good.
What is MX?
AMX.
Oh.
Rich nigga shit.
Oh, well, you a rich. I got a rich nigga. Period. So when you giving me some money? When you cashing me out? Catch me out.
When you go home.
Catch me out.
When you go home, I want you to spin around in the circle and look around. And then say thank you for the cash out. That's what I want you to say.
What?
I want you to go home. As soon as you get in the house, in the foyer, I want you just to take and bask all of what's happening.
Cause see.
And then say
all of that is regular.
Oh. Well, let me know.
I need a sugar daddy. You gonna be my sugar daddy?
No, nigga, you don't need none of that. You a fake nigga. You's a fake nigga. Why you stop? You's a fake nigga.
I'm a safe nigga, period.
I'd have hit the block on you. I'd have spun scared on their ass.
Anyway.
Period.
So, is you swiping or what?
Yeah, I'm swiping.
I got a rich nigga.
What happened to the rich women? Like, where are they?
You see, I'm iced out. I'm rich.
No, because you have rich niggas. Remember, you have a rich nigga.
Oh.
That's why
you ice me out. Ice me out.
That's why you're iced out. Not.
What's the song?
We're the rich.
I ain't gotta get naked for no tennis bracelet, but I need 20 bands for a fucking anklet. He gave me neck. Now I got protect. I don't need the background. I can do it a cappella.
Anyway, shout out Flo Milli. That song was hard. I like that.
I don't think that's Flo Milli. I think it's Cash Doll.
Yeah.
I don't gotta get naked for no tennis bracelet. For no tennis bracelet.
You not gay, but you'll let a bitch eat you out. Okay, we're gonna cut at this point. Where's my water? This is my water. Then leave.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Like when I say, poke it out. I ain't gay, but I let a bitch eat me out. What we finna do? What we finna do? Then leave. Get that bread, get that head, then leave.
And she's still here.
Then leave. Bitch, then leave. Get that bread, get that head, then leave. Peace out. Hey.
Cool Godzilla, I ain't tricking, I just breaking bitches down, head down, pop that pussy. Head down, she a freak, ho, I let her on the D.
Am I even in the screen? Like, I'm over here. And you over here like, I'm trying to do the TikTok. And you just keeping the camera on you.
Living Britt, co-starring Zoe Cruz.
No.
Like, y'all miss me, ain't it? Y'all be missing me. I know y'all do.
Anyway. So is you swiping or what? That's what we asked. That was the beginning.
I'm looking for the rich myself.
I need a zaddy. Aren't you zaddy?
Yeah. Hey, you need to relax. Is what you need to do.
Aren't you supposed to be zaddy?
Yeah, I am.
I am.
I am him, guys.
I am what I am.
I am him.
I am him.
Yes.
What?
I am him. Zaddy.
Oh, well, zaddy need to... What?
Say that.
What? Period. This say like, whoa.
That nigga killing that.
I'ma go crazy like, whoa. I'm a bad bitch with clothes. What's the words? I'm a nigga started for the low. Oh, whoa. Got a nigga that click and blow. Whoa. Are you a nigga that click and blow?
Whoa.
Pull out the glizzy, babe.
The glizzy. No, that's how niggas get jammed.
Nah, that's not what a glizzy is it, huh?
Yeah, it's a Glock.
Oh. Well, these days a glizzy is a...
Is a what?
Anything like a hot dog, damn.
Oh, hell, sandwich. Why you just ain't eat a cold?
Why you just ain't eat a cold? Anyway, so, babe, you like my earring?
Yeah.
I'm trying to be different for you.
Yep.
Is you zaddy or no?
Yeah, of course. Say that.
What?
Say that.
Period. Am I going the right way?
Yeah, you just been taking estimated guesses the whole way.
Yeah, I really don't know where I'm going. I'm like,
talking about, yeah, zaddy. Hey. Where we going, Zaddy?
Because after we eat, we should go on a shopping spree. Zaddy.
In today's news. Why are you looking at me?
What? We should go on a shopping spree. Hello? Is this thing on?
Yup. Yeah, let's go on a shopping spree. Where you trying to go?
You gotta take me on the shopping spree so you can be my baby zaddy. This is not where I get off.
Yes, it is. I don't have.
Aren't you trying to be my baby zaddy?
No, I'm trying to be your child's father.
What?
But I
need a baby zaddy.
Well, you got the wrong nigga. I'm not.
Where I'm going?
You going straight?
I need a baby zaddy.
Oh, you gonna lame up on this one too? Lame ass nigga. Like,
why you hate whenever I stop at stoplights?
The yellow light. The yellow light. At the yellow light. There's caution.
You're not gonna be able to be my baby zaddy if we go into the intersection and something happen. Period.
What's wrong with this girl, y'all? What the hell? She's crazy.
I'm just speaking facts.
Yeah, I don't know. Is that big facts? It's on you. Don't worry. You got your...
Niggas cool, but niggas ain't real.
That's a fact. All fact. No cap.
No cap.
Yeah.
Dang, they got a whole hole right here. What is that? I can't even see. I ain't got no... Oh, here go my... Y'all, I've been looking for these.
She's transformed. She's in rare form.
All right.
We turn it on try on. Oh, she's...
Do these look like pupil dilated glasses?
No, she's on her. Period. Shit is lame. Look at
and now you can't even see me.
Oh my. Whose video shoot is she going to?
Babe, I think you hating. To the right or the left?
I said right. Yeah, why would I hate on you? What do I stand to gain?
You be showing out sometime.
I don't hate on you. Why would I hate on you?
Y'all, we're gonna see what Zaddy does for me today. Period.
Then we're gonna see what he does for her later today.
What he does for her later today?
Mm-hmm.
What that mean? You about to be my baby daddy?
Yep. That's exactly what that means. That is exactly. All right, they can't.
Baby daddy on the way.
We gotta go.
Period.
We out.
Alright, double. Okay, so period. So we came to Hot Taco because Zaddy know I like Spanish food.
Because you Dominican, of course.
Yes, because he know I'm Dominican, period. He know I'm Dominican. And what else, babe?
And you like spicy stuff. You like to keep it hot. You know what I'm saying? That's how you like it.
Arriba! Period. So anyway, are you taking me on a shopping spree?
Yep.
Where we going?
City Tram.
What? First of all, I'm not no City Trends. Okay.
Oh, my bad, bro. I'm in the St. Gucci.
Oh yeah, we could go to the Gucci store. Okay. He gonna buy me Gucci. I told y'all.
Louis Prada.
I told y'all, Louis Prada. Okay, period. It don't matter what it is.
Gucci. I'm sorry.
Gucci, Prada.
I take that back.
Zaddy gonna have to step up and give me some Hermes.
I take that back.
Because in a minute, that's all I want.
I take that back. I'm not getting no Gucci.
You gonna give me a Birkin bag?
No Gucci though. They don't like black people. So we probably do Louis. Fendi Prada.
Get you a real black man.
Period.
Period. Anyway. So you having fun with your, what am I?
My lady.
What you called me?
My vibe.
You called me a hood?
No, you my vibe. See your whole vibe out here.
Get you a chick that's a vibe. Period.
That's right.
Cause
you don't need no boring hoes out here, you know what I'm saying?
you don't need no what?
You don't need no boring hoes out here, you know what I'm saying?
Period. In a minute, if she don't come and take the order, I'm gonna be like,
Living brick.
hello. I'm over here. Take my order. What if I did that?
I'll be like, you really in the zone, ain't you?
You wanna see?
No, I believe you.
He said, I believe you. So what is it like to have a Dominican Boricua mommy?
It's spicy. It's hot, baby. It's spicy. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all, here go my double mimosa.
That's that orange juice.
Those eckies. I don't drink, but when I do, she to come in a, y'all, I'm about to, excuse me. I'm gonna do all of that. You gotta make sure you hear the...
Be like, excuse my ratchet vibe, but...
Not my ratchet vibe. But you need to come and take her order, period. Girl. I'm not the one.
This mother be packed. I'm serious. We came at 6:30 one day.
He be coming out with his other girl. What he don't know is he about to get dropped.
Me and you came at 6:30 on a
Period.
Tuesday. And they told us they couldn't serve us.
Because it was packed out. Y'all. It's gone. Period. This. Alright, y'all. Here go my food. I made a bowl with shrimp, greens, jalapenos, pico cheese, and crema. We got more salsa and chips. BJ's food is gone.
I got a quesadilla and chicken taco.
What it tastes like?
Good, always.
And his chicken taco. I got my double mimosa that I showed y'all. So yeah. It's cause I'm Dominican, baby.
Did you like that?
Did you like it? Did you like it? Anyway, let me see if I can show y'all some stuff. Look at the, he's upside down on the ceiling. I showed y'all a little bit when we first came in. Then that guy over there. Look around. We always have the place to ourselves, so, cause we ballin'.
I call my man, he know.
Right, Zaddy?
Yeah, I call my people. He shut it down for me.
So, that's what you get when you with LB.
When you with Zaddy.
When you with LB. You're being a hater. He's a hater. He's definitely hating, but it's okay. Zaddy gonna be mad. Okay, y'all. We done out my Dominican spot.
Any other vibes?
Clearly, BJ likes ratchet biddies, so.
Since day one.
Oh, okay. So, it's over because he likes it. So, this was a video acting ratchet to see how my boyfriend reacts.
Oh, dang, I didn't even know. Yeah, she ain't turned it up like I'm sure the other YouTubers. I know that y'all probably be going in on waitresses and shit and doing all.
Cause I was, but he was like, "Nah, don't do that." But I showed y'all though.
Yeah, she did. It was really surprising. Okay, yeah. So I do like ratchets though. Like Brittany, you got a little ratchet in you.
What?
A little bit. So that's why but it's controlled ratchetism.
I'm a matured ratchet.
Matured ratchet. You know what I'm saying? That's good. That's what I need in my life at this current time.
Not at this current time. What?
A matured.
Anyway, y'all, nothing really happened. He liked it, and I don't know how to really be ratchet for real.
Not at all.
What?
No.
I was bad.
No, you was good. You was different. That's why I was like, oh, what is you on?
And well, at one point when I cut the camera off, he was like, I don't know what's gotten into you, but I said, why you didn't want to say that on the camera?
I was like, yeah, I don't know what she was on, but shit, I'm with it. I like this. I like the funness. That's exactly what I said.
Anyway, y'all, so
fun today,
that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe below. Y'all, I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next go round, and can't be ratchet no more. All right, peace.